need is a 3D. It's perfect for your omega gels. And here's omega gels. I'm gonna open it, press down and let go, press, and then you can press on the left and then go and press on the right and then just let it go. Use a tip of brush and then create the petals that you want. And it definitely is like, it takes, and as I love about it, it's not setting until you are happy. Many different ways you can use a gel extension. You can use it 3D flowers, and you can do it like applying the crystal. You can create some fun nail art on it. And this is omega gel. It's for all of you just tuning in. This is omega gel. It doesn't have to cover all the nails, I mean all the flowers. If you want just on the cover out.